Well, we're in Mexico again. I hope you are having a good day today. But anyways, what we got going on here. So I know like a video or two ago, we had Sosa and he still has his Power Stroke. He still got it. But he misses his Mustang, so he had to get a new Mustang. He got the color I really wanted. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Good looking color. But anyways, Wheelie decided he wanted some Mexico action, and Wheelie called out Sosa. So
you did?
Yeah.
You did?
Motherfuckers, play along. You're shitty acting, bad acting. Anyways, so long story short, here's the intro. Roll the fucking clip. We're doing a 30 roll and we're going. So how you feeling? You're back in the game, bro. You're back in the game.
I'm excited, but I'm about to probably, you know, not do well right here.
Bro, don't even sweat it right now. Don't even sweat it. Damn, dude, they've been in the mud. Look at that.
You really put me in.
Alright, now you got back out here. We're gonna be at the curb by the time y'all start.
You know.
Alright, we're gonna do a 30 roll. We're gonna do a 30 roll.
25.
Alright, we'll do 25. Alright, but back up though. I'm gonna count it off, and on 3 we're going.
I'll beat you first.
He was not lying. He did beat us in reverse. Hey, he got power restricted.
What?
He got a power restricted. It's all good.
I forgot to shift gears.
Yeah, he forgot to shift gears in reverse.
Damn it.
We heard you tried shifting.
It didn't go.
I see that. All right, we'll do a 30 or 25 roll. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Well,
Got my redemption from the truck.
yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Too fast.
So you got the redemption from the truck. Okay, now
This is totally unfair.
it's not too bad. A 25 roll ain't bad. So you shifted once, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then I put it in auto.
See,
That's how you're supposed to race.
Yeah, but when I'm by myself, I get nervous. I'm like,
Goes to park.
It's just good stuff.
You ready? 1, 2, 3. Well, so post-game interview here. How did it go?
Not bad.
As expected?
Not bad. As expected, I guess. No, not really. I thought he was actually gonna gap me.
Nah, dude, that's what I'm saying. Dude, these 5-0s, I'm telling you, bro. All right, Wheelie. Let's give our post-game thoughts here.
Burnouts are bad.
But they're cool.
That's
fun.
right. That's right.
They're cool, but not for winning races.
That is true. That is true.
Yeah.
Well, I think it's about time we're going to head over to the car show cruise, and we'll pick back up in a minute. here we are. Give a little Mexico run real quick.
Shit myself.
Whoa!
I already feel like I gotta throw up. No, I don't want to see this video. My reaction is gonna be stupid.
You'll be like,
I can't even swallow right now. I need my inhaler. Good, bro. I literally like thought like I was gonna die. It was just that crazy. Remember this spot.
Uh-oh.
That don't sound good.
Uh-oh, it don't. Let me check my tires first. I just want to make sure it ain't scratching the paint.
Did you just blow a tire?
That's all right. And we continue.
Oh, there was just a piece of tire.
Yeah, just a little bit of the tire.
That ain't good.
We're doing
speed limit.
80 feels so slow right now.
Oh, I know.
Of course, we're getting tailed behind us. You see that?
Did he come up behind you?
Yeah, the DPS is right there.
Oh, he's behind us.
Yeah, look, yeah, he's right there. Look, he's just there.
Oh, my arm is not shaking, sir.
No, sir. No.
That kid's coming to talk to you.
Oh, is he? Huh? Nah, I can't, dude. The cops are out.
And he blew a
I'm
tire.
too slow for the cops. I can't, dude. There's a cop right there.
Sick him.
Shit, dude. You should have saw me earlier. Oh, you did? Hey, send it to me. Send it to me. That's probably more smoke than the whole Burnout contest. Oops. Wasn't me?
Sorry, sir. It was wet.
No, I didn't even get over 40. You said like we didn't get over 40.
Dude, that's what the cops don't understand.
Yeah, no. They don't even.
It just slips a little.
fault your road can't handle my tires.
God damn. I wonder about the headers already.
Yeah, but my deal is don't put them on until you're ready to just charge it once, you know what I mean? I can't, man, there's cops. They're everywhere. I do. My insurance.